sit, jos satutte menemään, niin tulette näkemään semmosia ei-peseytyneitä läskeihmisiä, ketä välttää katsekontaktiisi, joo.
Looks like I took over checked one.
Oh, never mind, I killed cops. Like, I killed one of the hatchback spot drivers and two NATOs in the heli, and then a fucking APC shot me.
Fuck KPC. Fucking, let's kill them all. Let's kill them all.
Fuck NATO.
Fuck NATO. Good call, man. Good call. I wanna
Aren't you in NATO?
Yeah, I was, dude, but why do you think I left?
NATO sucks.
You got it, dude. They suck dick. Oh fuck, let's rub this Hemet in Thera.
It's bullshit, like, we tried to get good RP, the first fucking cop, he just fucking shoots at us.
Yeah, dude,
And
look.
the other ones, they don't even talk shit.
Yeah.
And then fucking NATO and shit flies in.
It's
How am I
because they have
supposed
free
to get...
gears. They have free gears, they don't have to
They don't care about
they don't
dying.
lose anything if they die.
How the
That
fuck am I
sucks.
supposed to get good RP videos for my medic application if the fucking cops just come there and shoot at us?
Now, dude,
Joku 6 tuntia putkeen.
Mut nää on vähän niinku, näillä vois mennä ampumaakin. Ja tekee töitä Raksalle. Ihan hyvin, nää on niin paljon ääntä blokkaa.
Uskon joo. Teillä on
Mitkä sulla on
50
peltarit
vittu
vai?
siperi.
Hey, someone who is alive, please send an invite to our group to Alexander.
I'll do it.
Mä suosittelen noit Tomannin superlukseen.
What's his name in game?
Alexander.
Yeah, I'm dead though. Because
Oh, okay.
fuck decided to VDM me with a helicopter.
Who was that?
Cops?
Mä testasin niitä spengä tossa, oliko toissa viikolla.
Joo. Ai mitä?
No niitä just niitä kuulokkeita.
Joo.
Opal on se tilas saman setin ja sillä on mikrofoni.
Guys, there's loads and loads of Hemets and shit.
Headsettejä kanssa, en tiedä miksi.
Joo.
What?
Mikrofoni sillä ainakin on aika paskallista.
Niin, oli ihan hirveen kuulonenhan se olikin.
Joo. Varsinkin se klikkaa.
Oh!
What happened?
Se klikkaa
He was
ääni.
killed. The fuck?
You get VDN?
Joo, niin oli joo.
Shit, son.